What if I told you that you could automate the process of creating a $100 million offer inspired by Alex Hormozi's best-selling book, 100 Million Offers? Sounds insane, right? Well, in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on how I built an advanced N8 NAI workflow that does exactly that. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how to leverage automation to create irresistible offers that transform your business. Welcome back to Limitless AI. If you're new here, this channel is all about pushing the boundaries of AI, automation, and creativity. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical applications yet: how to replicate Alex Hormozi's $100 million offer framework with AI. So, why this workflow? Alex Hormozi's book, $100 million Offers, outlines exactly how to craft offers so good people feel stupid saying no. And in today's fast-paced world, automation is the name of the game. That's where N8N comes in, a powerful automation tool that connects multiple AI agents to do all the heavy lifting for you. In essence, I've created a system that walks through every step of Hormozi's framework, contextualizing your niche, building the value equation, generating bonuses, and even adding scarcity tactics, all while you sit back and focus on scaling your business. Without further ado, let's jump right into our N8N workflow canvas and let's start building this awesome automation. Here's the high-level view of the workflow. As you can see, it starts with the context and niche node. This is where the magic begins, using AI agents to gather inputs tailored to your audience, making sure you become the business who serves a specific type of person with a specific type of problem. From this node, the workflow branches out into several key agents, each responsible for a critical part of the offer creation process, which in summary would look like this. Step 1. Setting context for the AI. This is where we define the framework and goal. We are creating a $100 million offer based on Alex Hormozi's principles. The goal is to design an offer so valuable that customers feel stupid saying no. The agent's output must focus on maximizing the perceived value and reducing all points of friction for our potential buyers. Step 2. Gathering inputs. This step will determine the following variables we need for creating the Grand Slam offer. 1. Target market. Define the audience, niche, and their specific characteristics. 2. Dream outcome. Identify the ideal result the customer desires. 3rd core problem. Describe the key challenge preventing the customer from achieving their dream outcome. Step 3. Constructing the value equation. This step will determine and deconstruct the offer based on Hormozi's value equation. Value equals dream outcome multiplied by perceived likelihood of achievement, divided by time delay plus efforts and sacrifice. Step 4. Listing problems and solutions. This step will identify every obstacle the customer might face in achieving the desired outcome and turning each obstacle into a solution and give it a compelling name. Step 5. Refining and stacking the offer. This step prioritizes solutions that are high value and low cost to implement, adding bonuses instead of discounts, and using scarcity, urgency, and exclusivity to enhance the offer. Step 6. Guarantees and risk reversal. This step adds guarantees that reduce the customer's perceived risk, ensures the guarantee is bold but achievable. And the last step, polishing and finalizing the offer presentation. This will bundle all components such as core offer, bonuses, guarantees into a single pitch, ensures the offer feels cohesive, logical, and exciting. This structured approach ensures consistency in generating high-value offers while leveraging AI's capabilities for ideation and refinement. Let's go deeper into a few critical pieces. Let's take a look at our nodes. You can see we employed an agentic framework by leveraging the process of large language model chaining. In this structured approach, we are getting each of the values we need to be able to craft the Grand Slam $100 million offer for any niche and target ICPs. We are using the basic LLM node to replicate the offer creation process explained within Hormozi's book. Let's take a closer look at our first AI agent node, the input gathering agent. We need to establish the components needed to craft the Grand Slam offer. For this, we need to identify the inputs to our system. This basic LLM node will be given a prompt that will identify the audience for this offer, including their specific needs, fears, and desires, outline their dream outcome, and the biggest problem they face in achieving it. We also need to attach a structured output parser tool to extract the key components needed to create the offer. Looking at the output parser, we created a JSON schema containing the components we identified. The advantage of using the basic LLM chain is basically getting control of the output we are getting from our AI model. This way, we're only getting a standard output for every execution of extracting the offer components, which we will then feed into the succeeding agent nodes. Once the offer components are extracted through our first LLM node, we then build our value equation agent. Same as our previous basic LLM node, we will use Grok chat model and use the Llama 3 AI model to power this node. We also set up the output parser where we extract each of the elements of our value equation, the dream outcome, which specify a transformative result and why it matters to the customer, the perceived likelihood of achievement, which will provide methods to make success seem inevitable, such as testimonials, guarantees. Time, delay, minimizes delays by identifying quick wins. Effort and sacrifices, simplify steps and reduce perceived difficulty. We will then add an edit fields node to capture and format the response from our value equation agent. Our next agent will be tasked on identifying every obstacle the customer might face in achieving the desired outcome. It turns each obstacle into a solution and give it a compelling name. Within its prompt, we've injected the components we created in our preceding node. In this node, the AI will be able to generate all the possible problems and provide corresponding solutions which we can leverage for understanding our target clients further before we establish our Grand Slam offer. This agent will act as a professional business analyst, tasked at identifying and refining the perfect problem-solution match. The output of this step is a list of problems with solutions which we will leverage to set up the next step of the offer building process. The next node we will call the offer refinement agent. We will prompt the AI to execute and use the trim and stack method. The goal is to prioritize solutions we generated from previous step that are high value and low cost to implement to refine the Grand Slam offer we are aiming to generate. The output of this node is an array of high value, low cost solutions with corresponding solution name and the detailed description of that solution we are offering. To capture the output of the offer refinement agent, we need to add another edit fields node and name this our priority offers list. This list of high value, low cost offers will be used to generate bonuses and create scarcity tactics we can utilize to sweeten the deal for our Grand Slam offer. This will stack value to our offer that makes people feel stupid to say no. This agent leverages AI to brainstorm high perceived value bonuses your customers will love, like free guides, consultations, or VIP access. We will capture this bonus's output by adding another edit fields node in our workflow. Up next in the process, we will again add another LLM node and set this up to turn it into our scarcity tactics generator agent. As usual, we will set it to generate a standard output format to return an array of scarcity tactics generated by the AI. This node is all about leveraging urgency through limited time offers, exclusive access, or countdown timers. The result? Your audience can't resist hitting that buy button. Finally, we have the Guarantee and Risk Analysis Agent. This AI agent node will propose a strong guarantee that eliminates risk for the customer. It can include phrases like, or your money back, or unique performance-based guarantees to boost confidence in the offer. The output are a list of guarantees that reduce the customer's perceived risk. The AI is also instructed to ensure the guarantee is bold but achievable. This will then be saved into another Edit Fields node in the workflow. All of this stacked up step-by-step process of generating AI-enhanced components and details will culminate into the last node of this entire automation workflow. By bundling all components like core offer, bonuses, and guarantees into a single pitch, this system ensures the offer feels cohesive, logical, and exciting. The end result? A $100 million offer purely based upon the principles taught by Alex Hormozi. From all of the output we captured throughout the entire system, anyone can use the information to craft and customize the most effective and most compelling business offer in a matter of minutes, all powered by AI. No more extensive hours of brainstorming and countless ideation sessions to come up with $1 million offer for your specific business. By combining Hormozi's $100 million framework with NAN's multi-agent system, you essentially have a business consultant that runs 24/7 for a fraction of the cost. Now, what makes this workflow a game changer? It's all about consistency and scalability. When you're trying to generate high-quality offers, you need to account for variables like market trends, audience behavior, and your product's unique strengths. AI doesn't miss details. It works tirelessly, ensuring every offer is optimized to Alex Hormozi's proven principles. Excited to try this for yourself? Here's how you can start. Sign up for an N8N Cloud account from the link I provided in the description below and set up your own automation workflow. You can download this $100 million offer creator multi-agents workflow template by accessing the link I provided also in the description below. Plug in AI chat models like OpenAI's GPT or other AI models best fit for this type of applications, like the powerful Llama models and Gemini, to power your workflows and achieve the best results possible. You will not worry about consistency of the outputs since this system leverages the power of structured output formatting to generate consistent responses from our AI agents. Tailor each agent to your specific niche and business goals to craft the best and most compelling grand slam offers for your business. Let AI do the tedious process and spare human ingenuity and creativeness to polish the offers fully customized to your needs. If you want me to create a step-by-step guide on setting this up, drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit the like button, subscribe to Limitless AI, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.